In this lesson, we'll look at understanding metered connections. For mobile devices, it's pretty common to use Wi-Fi connections wherever we can. Your device itself may even have a SIM card to connect to cellular data. In some cases, you may need to share an internet connection from a smartphone or use a portable Wi-Fi hotspot that's been provided by your cellular phone service provider. You may also find yourself using data connections that are provided when traveling or at an airport. It's also common in more remote areas to use satellite providers for high-speed internet when no other choice exists. Now, in any of these cases, you're most likely dealing with some form of data limit or quota, where you'll be charged extra for data if you exceed whatever quota has been established or paid for. Now, Windows 10 refers to these connections as metered connections. It includes a very important feature for handling metered connections. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi connection that has the data limit. Now, this feature also works for Ethernet connections now, but it really is most often a Wi-Fi connection that would have this type of limitation. If you do have to work with a data limit using an Ethernet connection, everything we see here will be able to be used on your Ethernet connection as well. We're going to open the Settings app, and we'll select Network and Internet. Here I'll select the network connection, in this case it's Wi-Fi, and here I can see the Wi-Fi connection I'm using. Now in this example, I'm tethered to my smartphone, and I'm sharing a limited internet connection. It has a quota. Now you can see a switch here under metered connection. I can slide the switch to on or off, and this would let your device know that there is limited data available through this connection. Now Windows 10 will sometimes automatically detect a connection as metered, as it did here, recognizing this was a mobile hotspot. While I'm on a metered connection, apps, including the Windows Core apps, will delay updates until they have an unlimited data connection. With a metered connection, Windows will only download priority system updates, and the Windows Store will not download apps. Live tiles won't pull down updates. You'll also see other issues as well, such as delayed syncing of offline files. All of this may seem unnecessary until you realize that Windows updates, and even many app updates, can very quickly exceed a gigabyte. Now, if you don't have a data limit and you notice that updates are not occurring, you may want to check to see if your connection has somehow been tagged, perhaps inadvertently, as a metered connection. Turn the switch to off to let the updates commence. In this lesson, we've looked at understanding metered connections. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.